hope you all are having an amazing day. I would say happy Halloween. However, I'm pretty sure this video will not be going up until tomorrow, November 1st. So, and if it's tomorrow, it's actually today. Does that make sense? Anyway, I hope you're having a great day. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is Tea, Pray, Love. So I'm gonna go over this and tell you all about it, and then we'll get into the actual unboxing. First, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for returning. And if you are new, welcome. We'd love to have you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. My name is Nikki, and we do all kinds of fun unboxings, and we always have a great time. So, what we're going to do today is the Tea, Pray, Love. They did reach out to me and ask if they could send this to me for review, and I said yes. So I'm going to tell you about it, and then we'll get into unboxing. Before we do that, guys, I do want to remind you we have quite a few active giveaways, so definitely make sure you enter if you have not already. They will all be linked down below. So, Tea, Pray, Love. It's mind, body, and soul. Our wellness box will nourish all three. Enjoy a wellness box of artisan loose leaf tea, self-care books and journals, luxe skincare, and more every 2 months. So this is a bi-monthly subscription. I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out. You can choose your tea, so you can let them know what type of tea you prefer, and skin type, you let them know your skin type so they can better select the skincare products for you. They do have 3 different plans. They have their Premier Box, which is the one I have here, which is $39.95. And with this, you're supposed to get 1 to 2 loose leaf teas that's going to have 10 or more servings, a self-care book or journal, 2 luxe skincare goodies, and 2 to 3 surprise goodies. With the Petite Box, it is $29.95. You're going to get 1 tea, 2 luxe skincare items, and 2 to 3 surprise goodies. And then they do have just a tea box that is $14.95. And with that, you're going to receive a mix of 2 to 5 different teas, and it's obviously going to make over 10 cups of tea. So you can get discounts on extended plans. So if you go ahead and prepay, you do get a little bit of a discount. Like I said, it is bi-monthly. So I will put that link down below. But let's get in here and see what we got and what Tea, Pray, Love is, well, Tea, Pray, Love is all about. All right, so this is what we see when we open it. So they got their little sticker. And it says, we hope you enjoy your customized wellness. So there's that. Oh, here's a note for me. Something smells amazing. Oh, okay. Oh, they gave me a coupon code, you guys. What? And this is an amazing code. Okay, so, woo! So like I said, the Premier Box is the one I have here. It's $39.95. The Petite Box, $29.95. And then the Tea Box, $14.95. And you guys, they gave me the code Premier40, which I will put down below. And that will get you 40% off your first Premier Box. What? That is amazing. All right, so then something smells fantastic. All right, I already like this because this right here tells us what's in the box, description, and pricing. Yes, yes, and yes. So your Premier Box contains the following, and then it goes over everything. And like I said, it has pricing, and then it says, and more. All right, so let's move some squigglies. Something smells so good. So when I move some of the squigglies, this is what we see in here. All right, so this first item right here, this is Bubbles Bath Boutique, a chai tea lip butter. This soothing lip balm flavor oil is a delightfully spicy blend with Earl Grey tea, Tahitian vanilla, allspice, cinnamon bark, nutmeg, and ginger. And this is $3.50. So Always good to get a lip butter. Love it for this time of year. And then we have, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, then we have, y'all, this smells amazing. Maui Soap Company, Oahu, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, bar soap with kukui and coconut oil. It's $6.99, handcrafted Hawaiian bar soap, exotic, vigorous Hawaiian Oahu with a soft, cleansing ginger scent, like swimming under a Hawaiian waterfall. Made with kukui, coconut oil, and real tropical fruit, moisturizing and rich lathering, softens and smooths skin, no phthalates, 100% cruelty-free and vegan, 5% of net profits given to save Hawaii's endangered species. That is amazing. So this company gives back, and yep, 5% of their profits are donated. But you guys, look at that soap. That soap is so gorgeous. Like, it's almost see-through. It's like white around the edge and then almost see-through. It's just stunning. And it smells, even through the plastic, it smells so good. Okay. Then we have a gold mask, gold essence, for elasticity and nutrition, colloidal gold. It says 2.5 ppm. I'm not sure what that means. This is a Korean skincare, but we have this mask right here. All right, this is not listed, so this must be one of the and more items. All right. And then we have our tea. Beach House Teas, Artisan Small Batch Loose Leaf Tea. And this says Whidbey Island Breeze. And this is, it says 1 heaping teaspoon for 6 to 8 ounces, 212 degrees for 5 to 6 minutes. It is an herbal blend. It's caffeine free. It's got organic lemongrass, organic fennel seed, and organic Pacific Northwest Bartlett pears. Ooh. So there's that. And this is valued at $12. Our family has always supported local and Pacific Northwest agriculture by sourcing locally harvested or grow our own crops to turn into delicious homemade drinks. From homebrewed beer, wines, teas, and spirits, it all began with our love of the outdoors, gardening, farming, cooking, baking, and creating with the varied bounty of the Northwest. Now we want to bring our handcrafted loose leaf tea blends and tea-infused natural products to your family. So I think that is amazing, and it sounds really good, especially the Bartlett pear. That sounds fantastic. All right, so then we have Back to Iceland cleansing water. Thank you, farmer. A no-rinse cleansing water with 83% of Iceland moss extract that removes makeup and impurities without tightness or drying. Apply with a cotton pad and gently smooth over entire face and neck for makeup removal and cleansing the skin. No rinsing needed. And this is a K-Beauty item. So here's the actual outer packaging. And then there is the product. So this is gonna be like a micellar water is what I'm guessing. And it is $5. A must-have one-step cleansing water that is infused with 83% Iceland moss extract and 17% natural ingredients to provide balance for healthy skin. So that's awesome. And then we have, oh, when it's new, Aveeno Positively Radiant Max Glow No Mess Sleep Mask. This is $17.99. Wake up to softer, more radiant skin. This nighttime face mask actively works while you sleep and replenishes dry, damaged, and uneven skin. Infused with soy and kiwi complex, the sleep mask glides on mess with a mess-free applicator and hydrates your skin overnight. Wake up to soft, luminous skin. Dermatologist tested, which I love. And paraben-free, phthalate-free, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic. It's gentle. Now your skin can light up the room. All right, it says, turn paddle applicator to the on position. Use paddle to spread evenly onto face. Do not rub in with hands. The Max Glow No Mess Sleep Mask will form a layer and actively work throughout the night to replenish and moisturize skin. In the morning, rinse off and follow with cleanser. That is awesome. So we got that. And then we have, let's see, Spiration, Inspirational Words for Tea Lovers. This is $14.95. Oh, it looks like it came with a bookmark too, and the bookmark is really cute. It says, you can do this. This says, Spiration aims to create a quiet moment where one can experience devotions, comfort, inspiration, and the simple joys of life. Tea drinkers know that tea, the wonderful drink, can help them slow down and savor life's moments. Steeped in wisdom. Inspirational words for tea lovers. It's little things that make life big, and that is so true. So yeah, it's just got little things in here you can read, and obviously you can use your bookmark to mark where you're at. That would be so nice, like especially when it does finally cool off a little bit more here and it's kind of crisp. You can sit outside and have a nice cup of tea and you can read this and just kind of take time for you. I think that is amazing. And let's see, looks like we have one more product on here. This is Made Good Salty and Sweet Granola Bar, free from nuts and safe for schools, organic nutrients from vegetables. Dedicated, facility free, so no peanut, tree nut, egg, dairy, wheat or gluten, sesame, soy, or fish. I have never heard of this. So that is not on here, so that's just a bonus. So that and the sheet mask were a bonus. Everything else was here. We were given the value. I'll put the value right down here for you guys. So let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will put a link to Tea Pray Love down below, as well as that 40% off promo code, you guys. That's amazing. So again, let me know your thoughts. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.